Custody advisor at Wall Street Prison I'm Olivia, a custody advisor at Wall Street Prison Consultants. Today I'm going to explain judicial abuse of discretion. Judicial authority is an essential aspect of the justice system. Entrusted with the monumental task of interpreting laws and ensuring justice, judges possess broad discretion in their decisions. However, this discretion is not unfettered. It is meant to be exercised within the parameters of fairness, equity, and the boundaries set by law. When judges exceed or misuse this authority, it becomes what is known as judicial abuse of discretion. Such abuse not only skews individual cases, but can undermine public trust in the entire judicial system. Abuse of discretion occurs when a judge makes a decision that is arbitrary, capricious, or whimsical. In simpler terms, it's when a judicial determination appears to be grounded neither in reason nor in the evidence presented. This can manifest in various forms, such as imposing excessive sentences, denying essential evidentiary motions without sound reason, or showing evident bias in court proceedings. Consequences of judicial abuse include undermining justice. The primary casualty of judicial abuse is justice itself. An unfair ruling can lead to wrongful convictions, unnecessary penalties, or a denial of rightful claims or defenses. Loss of public trust. When judges consistently exhibit abuse of discretion, it erodes public confidence in the justice system. People need to believe that they will be treated fairly and justly when they enter a courtroom. Resource drain. Abuses often lead to lengthy appeals, retrials, and additional legal processes. This places a drain on court resources and time, not to mention the financial and emotional costs borne by the parties involved. While broad discretion is essential for judges to perform their duties effectively, it's equally vital to have checks and balances in place such as appellate review. One of the primary safeguards against abuse of discretion is the appellate system. Higher courts can review decisions and overturn them if they find evident abuse. However, appellate courts often defer to the lower court's discretion unless there's a clear indication of misuse. Judicial training. Ensuring that judges are adequately trained and educated about the boundaries of their discretion and the importance of fair and unbiased decision-making is crucial. Transparent decision-making. Judges should be encouraged, and in some instances required, to provide clear written explanations for their decisions, especially in cases where their rulings might seem out of the ordinary. Accountability measures. In cases of clear, repeated, or severe abuses, there needs to be avenues for official complaints, investigations, and potential disciplinary actions against judges. It's important to remember that most judges take their roles seriously and strive to ensure justice. However, acknowledging and addressing the instances where abuse of discretion occurs is imperative for the health and integrity of the justice system. As society continues to evolve, so must the systems in place to check and balance this discretion, ensuring justice remains blind and fair. For more information and assistance on understanding the realities of abuse of discretion, you should consider hiring a prison consultant.